The Resource Timeline provides a dispatch workflow that's focused on your crew and equipment first, while job-level perspectives take a back seat. Much like the dispatch job timeline, the Resource Timeline displays employee and equipment schedules using a Gantt chart. Accounts can select a custom date range and reference date. The reference date will control where the vertical red line appears on the timeline and defaults to the present day. Users can also filter the timeline to display which resources are available to work or those currently on assignment. Filters on the left let dispatchers find specific employees or equipment by name, trade, or class. Advanced filters provide more information about your resources and can help filter by their area or employment type. To schedule resources, click and drag the Create Assignments block onto the timeline beside the resource you're looking to assign. This will open a window and provide a list of the available jobs in your account. Select a job, confirm the start and end date of the assignment, then click Create. Schedules can be changed, deleted, or duplicated by right-clicking on any assignment. View Assignment will bring up a window allowing dispatchers to adjust the dates, trade, and resource group of the assignment. Duplicating an assignment allows dispatchers to select additional resources that will inherit the same assignment properties. Making it easier to schedule resources in bulk. Dragging the unavailability block onto the timeline will provide the ability to set a vacation period for an employee. Informing any dispatch operators that they are not available to work. Vacation records that are created on the resource timeline will also be visible under the employee profile in your account's master data settings. Admins can also add vacation from the employee profile. And those dates will be visible from the resource timeline and employee calendars on Aimsio's Dispatch job board. Learn more about Aimsio's dispatch tools by visiting support.aimsio.com.